everyone, my name is Naomi. Well, for today's video, we're going to be talking about fractions. So if you guys are going to learn math, or if you guys are interested in math, I'm sure that you guys know what fractions are. So for today's video, let's have a review of it. So okay, look at this rectangle that I provided you guys. You guys see it's a whole rectangle, right? Okay, so this is a whole rectangle that we have. And so if we want to demonstrate this rectangle by number, we would demonstrate it with the number 1. Okay, so number 1. But imagine we just we cut the rectangle into 4 parts. And we just take 2 parts of it. Then how much are we having right now? 2 pieces, right? And it's cut in 4. And so this would be the fraction that we have that represent this picture. So what does this mean? The whole picture here we have is 1. It is a whole. So imagine that we've cut it into 4 parts. 4 comes into the denominator, which is the number down there. And we can count. Okay, there are 2 parts that we found, that we took. So 2 is our numerator. So 2 is the number on top, and 4 is the number in the bottom. And so the fractions represent basically how much do you have of a whole. So okay, let's have some examples. So now if I have a shaped circle and I divide it into 6 parts, and I take 1, 2 parts, 3 parts, 4 parts out of it, what do I have? I have 4, okay? So we took 4 parts, we have 4 on the top, and count the total amount of parts, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 parts. So our fraction comes with 4 6. So you guys could write it in this way. You guys could write it as 4 6, or you guys could write it as 4 6, or you guys read it as 4 6. So that's basically what a fraction is. So remember, a numerator is a number on top. It shows how much did you took from the whole. And denominator is the number on the bottom. It shows how much is in the whole total whole. So that is our fraction. Remember, fraction is not just a normal number, but it is one super important concept in math that I believe you guys would super be interested in when learning about fraction. So make sure that you got the handle of this, know how to read the models of fractions, and make sure that you got the idea of what a fraction is, right? So thank you so much for listening to my video. Goodbye.